guys. Mimish, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's round up our day. Round up or wind up? Wind down? I don't know. On volume spring, what can you do? What can you do? Um, Beautiful, like angelic. Uh, Charging on 5 minutes as it always is in a situation like this. If it comes here, springs here, oh, it would be beautiful. But the higher time frame already says no. So no means no, you know what I mean? In trading as well as in real life. That's closing below, so it's gonna break, I think. Yeah, it doesn't matter the volume, just goes down. Pfizer breaks out. DTM. Close below, Merrick starts showing the signs of hope. Because I'm short on Merrick. Merrick, I'm sorry. Why do I call it Merrick? Merrick and Company. Who's Merrick? And what is his company? Can I please know? Or maybe they want to look in the eye of a guy who dares to short him. It's like, did you dare to short us? I'm sorry, Mr. Merrick and Company. But I only bought a put. So technically, how does it influence the price of the main asset anyway? Isn't it amazing how miraculously the expectations of those who not even touching the main asset? I have something going on the roof today. Not sure if you can hear it, but I most definitely can. Yeah, this thing reverse broke and everything that comes with it. So, bye. I would enter here a lot in my previous life. I would enter here a lot. And even more so, it's gonna be better from here. But then when it's here, it's like way too low for. It's gonna be 1 bar. Oh, look at that. It's gonna be 1 bar rule right now. In 40 minutes, so it's gonna be like this level and this level, really. But it's a break, regardless. No, it's a break. It's gonna be like this. Or even. We are concerned about this level, this volume for now. Right here. However, yeah, I would rather have it go to renew, to update the level. Wait, how did this happen? Oh, that's bizarre. Let's remove this. Just get it out of our way. Doesn't change anything. Does it? It does not. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. See, I would rather see this level being manipulated, shaken out. But yeah, good stuff. Yeah, here we go. Oh, and this is McDonald's. I'm loving it. Additional reason to short the evil stock. Because whoever think Lockheed Martin is evil stock, I assure you McDonald's kills more people every year, every day, every month than Lockheed Martin. That doesn't I'm not playing evil's advocate right now. Ooh, look at this. It's too high, right? Oh, and it's after hours anyways. What happened here? Dun, 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 dun. There was a level. And that was it's like deep, deep, deep after hours. But did it touch or did it not touch? It didn't. Ah, look at this guy. Or did it touch it by hair? That was possibly level. A little far from 0.5. A little too high. Alright. Let's go back to a daily watch. Didn't take long. This is getting close. The app guy is gonna close in correction in 35 minutes. UPS is gonna break. So this is gonna break. Netflix. Wait, why did I not keep my eyes on Netflix? Why did I? It's not a good context for a because it changed direction here. It's not a good context for a swing trade at all. And on 5 minutes it broke the model. Still on volume top thrust, nothing justifies, and it's a bar. Oh no, it's wait. My charging is off here. What really happened here is a break. So that now makes sense. It's not an up thrust, that's why it's unvolumed. Ай-яй-яй, Mishka. The way you chart, the way you trade. 0.5 is sexy, but we are in this volume zone, this little massacre, and there's no context on monthly other than no. So this guy can go. And that's the situation. I like how Leo talks, you know, situation, congratulation. It's like chewing, a little hissing his words. Hissing is Matthew McConaughey. He's like, yo. This is why we don't trade things like this. Look at this. Spring, beautiful test, resumption, and then target, the trade I didn't take today. And no regrets. And no regrets. Drink, 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 drink. Let's break, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, Mambo number 5. Dun, 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 dun. If you don't know this song, I'm sorry. We can't be friends. It's not like I'm selective or discriminative, but for the betterment of both of us, I know it's just gonna be happier apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da 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 da. Unvolumed. This is not straight. Probably charted off the phone. And that's our dailies. We can. No, I don't want to take a look at our gainers and losers. I take no pleasure anymore in taking. Yeah, look at this. Here you go. Go, McDonald's, go. Right there. Look at this guy. Can go down tomorrow, on Monday. Look at this. Well, you know what? I'll tell you. By the way, why did I? Yeah, that was premature. Yeah, it was too early, actually. Why did I change the direction? Yeah. Well, because it went so low. Yeah. But look at this. You can close above. Look at this guy. To break. change of direction and the whole shebang. So it's a first sign of change of direction. So what if it goes like all the way up? Totally ridiculous. Absolutely possible. Boom. Probably break in 27 minutes. So don't bother. Dun, 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 dun. Mm, it's not clear what it is, but most likely it's this. Doesn't matter anymore. Nothing really matters. Have we not had this conversation earlier today? I think it's gonna like this level is meant to be broken. I can't do anything. I would love to review the stocks that are at some significant levels on year. The year. What am I looking at? Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Okay. Baboosh. Yeah, that's impressive. It's in the neutral zone. Oh, and we broke the year, so yeah, we were only good up to 0.5, and we reached 0.5, so this can go. We reached. Yep. Damn, it was. It's like a balance. Not really. And it reached the potential for correction, so. This thing is gonna break, it looks like. And it's gonna be good in continuation of the trend. And it's like a complex multi impulse approach. So last impulse has this as time strength, and it's good in continuation of the trend. It's hairy because it's like too. Look how low it is. Look how low it is. It's break. It's good for continuation of the trend. This doesn't make any sense. And maybe And it needs to give us a transition extreme. So. It's a powerful break, and most part of the bar's body is above the level. However, yeah, that's the volume zone. It's gonna break. It's gonna be continuation of the trend, I think, in 12 minutes. Looks like. It's fixed volume. Yeah, it's continuation of the trend. Not for swing, but maybe for day trade. This is a continuation of the trend. This was one bar rule, by the way. No, it wasn't. So beware. And that was it. That was our. We didn't know that yet, but that was the upthrust of break under ice. It's continuation of the trend, regardless. Easy tiger. It changes direction. Finally. That's the sign of strengths. And that's the 0.5. So yeah. Something in vicinity of this would not be bad. It's a break. Counter trend, balance. Sign of strength, our break under ice, good volume distribution. And it's good for a continuation of the trend. Wait. Yep. Yeah, all good. It's getting there. That was a break though. There's a break. None of this makes sense. Horizon. Inside var. Can't give up. Won't give up. It's on a roll. Like, if you ask me, this guy is good for like for a short. Like here is the test, whatever you want, and then like this guy looks like it will like drop miserably. If you ask me, but it's just me. Found it yesterday engages in development, manufacture, and provision of storage devices and solutions based on an AMD flash technology. Oh, so it is SanDisk, the flash cards. California. Super hyped stock. Look at this. This is horrible. Yeah, I would say like shorted. One bar reversal. Volume up thrust. That was a test from here, like just let it reverse first. Continuation of the trend. I don't know why I'm not having this one on the list. IBM. It's break. Not a subject to one bar rule. What happened here? Look at Baba. Nice strong drop. Potentially finds, not potentially, but finds its transitioning zone with the biggest volume from the last drop. So we can say that this part of the wave, at least, has broken in the supporting zone of higher time frame, which is always a good sign. So let's see how it does with the needs to come here. Dun, 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 dun. It reversed and confirmed. What else would I possibly need? It's monthly watch at best. At best. You know, something to consider. Oof. At the level, just to find its levels. Needs to find its levels. And volume bar. Transition extremum, volume top thrust, test, broken test. Now goes below. There's been the someone is smoking weed. Not against the smell, you know, but this California sober. It's cool stuff legalized. The less we criminalize our action, the better we are. But also, it's like a sad side. First, I said in Amsterdam how like the red light square is like locals don't go there. Only tourists and kind of people have certain traits. Um, California looks way better, but also like after 12 years, I was like, yeah, this is dirt, unfortunately. And I'm like, feel sorry for the people with addictions of any sort. Sad story. Why? Yeah, more so as an exhaustion volume. That's what I'm trying to convey. Even though it's continuation of the trend, but after this drop, this looks like that's it. It's a good volume. Just penetrated by here and went down. That'll be what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for it to come here. So not yet. And Jill gotta come here. Like, do I like this level? XRT. None of this is good. Anyway. Inside bar. Low. Volume is up there. We passed the transition strum. None of this is good. It's not a balance. No way. What can I do here? Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh, what are you doing? Um, yeah, not the biggest, but big. Big volume. No. Point, what a beautiful volume in spring. And this is always like the context time frame is BS, just like straight BS. Telling you. It's just nothing. Yeah, what they it's nonsensical. However, days also, but look at the hour. It invites us to part with our hard earned or easy earned money. regardless. It's a pure invitation to leave some money on the table. It's not the biggest, but it's like a big, big, big volume. T1, even bigger volume. Um, if you do coincidence of the levels, and you can, right? Yep, yep, it's trend. Just everything is beautiful here. But something tell me like I should not. At the very least, at the most, a transition extremum. It's like it's all doesn't make any sense. And where's this volume? It's right there. It's above us. We are below this volume. No, it's suicidal. I already have like a third of my capital in T-Row. I already paid my dues to the market. Uh, can I borrow this for a sec? Thank you. I already paid my dues to the market. It's a cool little balance. Should have been explored way earlier, probably. Yeah. Like, first, barely volume spring. Something on hourly, doable probably. On volume spring again. Something on hourly, maybe doable. Maybe like an hour was doable. Boom. One bar reversal. Dun, dun, dun. But the catch here is we don't know. It can close in the spring. Where was I? Yeah. Always cool and sexy. Well, I mean, too high, of course, on daily, monthly, but nothing here, and then nothing here, and nothing here. So um, that's it's a continuation of the trend. Or with this break, doesn't look good. What is all this? Change direction and about to confirm it. So once it interacts with this level, it confirmed the change of direction and therefore can go from our daily watch list. It's stuck somewhere in between these two levels. Yandex. Yeah, look at this break. Like, is it a break really? We don't even know. So like technically it fits into like continuation of the trend pattern, but practically it's just uh says this, but well, let's put it in continuation of the trend, but is it a break? Like, would you describe it as a break? Because I wouldn't. Bank St. Petersburg that like grew through the war, like thrived, while other Russian stocks plummeted. It was like, yeah, the war. Could be a reason to that. It's like it's highly corrupted bank belongs to the son of the Putin's one of the biggest Putin's allies. So um it's a good place and on everywhere actually. It's a good place on the year, except for this volume. It's but this volume is here. It's a good place on the months. It's a bunch of good places, my friends. It's yeah, it's good. Yeah. Probably an independent approach. Yeah, it's solid, I think. But what do I know? It broke reverse. If it confirms, it can be gone. What the heck? It's up and down and it's like spinning all the directions. Oh, it already, there was a little spring here that still holds. And, oh, where did we go? On the volume spring. How can you do? The market is closed. Technically, it's 12 three time frames, isn't it? It is. Okay, so be it. Okay, I'm gonna go check out for the weekend. You guys have fun, and that's a break, which doesn't like it can just go down on Monday. But how did it do on the day? I did do spring. Look at this guy. I think it's gonna go down, but anyway, take care.